Welcome to the episode 4 of the Global Pulse. So, Faye, what are your thoughts about globalization, hidden but everywhere?
This is about ideas that shape our world. Kahit minsan hindi natin napapansin. So today's episode is called Globalization, Hidden but Everywhere. So alam mo ba yung feeling na parang ang dali na lang ng lahat ngayon? You
Hindi.
can order food from another country, watch shows from Korea, listen to music from the US, and even talk to people across the world. Lahat yan nasa phone mo lang. Pero here's the thing. We rarely stop and ask, how did all of this become normal? That's globalization. Globalization isn't always loud or obvious. Hindi siya laging headlines sa news. Instead, it quietly shapes our everyday life. Parang background music na hindi mo napapansin pero malaking part na pala siya ng experience mo. For example, isipin mo yung pagkain mo today. Maybe you had an instant noodle from Japan, coffee from Brazil, or fast food from an American brand. Kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, connected ka sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. That's globalization at work. Connecting economies, cultures, and people. But to about ideas. Yung trend sa TikTok, fashion styles, even the way we speak. I speak. Taglish, for example, is already a mix of global and local influence. In a way, globalization doesn't erase identity. It reshapes it. Pero, sabi nga, no one's perfect, nothing's perfect.
Tama. Tama.
Kasama na dyan yung globalization. So, while it creates opportunities like jobs, innovation, and access to information, it can also create imbalance. So, some countries might benefit from it, some cultures become more dominant, while others struggle to be heard. So, the question is, are we just consumers of globalization or are we also shaping it? Kasi every time you choose what to watch, what to buy, or what to share, you're participating in it. So, globalization may be hidden, but it's everywhere. It's in your choices, your habits, and even your identity. And maybe the wisest things we can do is to stay aware. Hindi para iwasan siya, but to understand it. Because once you see it, you realize it. You're not just living in the world. You're connected to it.
Yes.
So I think that is for today's episode. If this made you think, share it with someone. Kasi baka hindi rin nila napapansin how globalization shapes their life every day.
Bye! See you sa next episode!
See you guys.
Welcome again to episode 5 of Global Pulse. Rod, bakit kaya sabay-sabay lumalabas ang same memes, dances, at fashion styles kahit nasa iba't ibang dulo pa tayo ng mundo? Feeling nyo ba coincidence lang yun o baka ito talaga yung epekto ng pagiging globally connected natin?
Uy, sakto. Yan talagang gusto kong pag-usapan today. Simulan natin sa mga viral trends na nakikita natin araw-araw. Una, memes. Lalo na sa TikTok, isang simpleng video lang biglang nagiging viral. Iba't ibang taong ginagaya, lalagyan ng twist, at share pa sa iba. Then, dance trends. Isang choreography lang, pero may kita mo ginagawa na ng millions of people sa iba't ibang bansa. Parang naging shared experience siya kahit hindi kayo magkakilala. Example na lang yung mga sayaw namin. And lastly, the fashion trends. Dahil sa influencers at online content, bigla na nagiging uso ang isang style. Kahit saan ka pumunta, may makita kang halos pare-parehong outfit or aesthetic. Ngayon, share ko naman experience namin. Mila Joss and Miles, ginaya namin ang Kurumi AI trend inspired by Kurumi.
Yay!
Pero hindi lang basta edit or galing AI. Ginawa namin siya in real life, from acting hanggang sa vibes. Ni-create namin siya by video. Result, umabot ng 57.4K likes at 365.5K views sa TikTok. Paano siya nag-spread? Nagsimula siya sa familiar concept, yung Kurumi AI trend. Tulungan mo siya, Kurumi. Sana i-follow ka nila.
Okay po.
Tapos, dinagdagan natin ng sariling twist. Kami mismo ang nag-act, kaya naging interesting dahil doon mas maraming tao nag-engage at may iba pang nag-recreate. Doon nag-i-start yung change reaction ng trend. Ano ngayon ang meaning nito? Interconnectedness. Ano nga ba? Ibig sabihin, connected tayo kahit magkakalayo. Isang trend lang, kaya niyang umabot sa iba't ibang bansa in a short time. Kahit ibang-ibang culture natin, tradition, naging similar ang experiences natin dahil sa trends. Pareho tayong natatawa sa memes, sumasayaw sa parehong music, at sumusunod sa parehong style. Fashion style, di ba? Pero importante rin na hindi lang tayo gumagaya. Nadadagdag din tayo sa sariling identity, kaya habang kumakalat ang trend, nag-evolve din siya. And sa huli, pinapakita ng trends kung gaano tayo kakonect. Hindi lang ito about sa pagiging viral, about din ito sa shared experiences natin bilang global community. And that's all. Salamat sa pakikinig. Kita-kits.
Yes.
Guys, sa next
See you
episode.
next episode.
See you.